Hey guys, it's John here with another tutorial just for you guys, and today I will be teaching you how to hide a body in 8 simple easy steps. If you follow all these steps and watch this video, you'll get the job done in a jiffy. Step 1. Get the body. It could be anybody really, but today I will be going with my neighbor Doug, who stole my copy of LEGO Star Wars The Complete Saga for the DS. Step 2. Make sure he or she is unconscious. This is important. If the person is still awake, they don't tend to like getting dragged places. Believe me, I speak from experience. Step 3. Toss body in the trunk. Now, you're not going to be able to get rid of the body just yet. You need to find a place to hide your unconscious buddy. So why not your trunk? That seems like a good place. Step 4. Make sure the coast is clear. You don't want to get yourself caught. Just make sure no one's looking. Step 5. Dig a hole. I sure hope you own a shovel, because if you don't, this part might be hard. Step 6. Get rid of the body. Now's the time to cover up your work. Your work is never truly done until the body, your unconscious buddy, is hidden. Step 7. Get away as calm as possible. Now this is really important. So now that your unconscious buddy is hidden, you want to leave the area without looking suspicious. Step 8. Go home and sleep peacefully. After a hard day of work, you have truly earned a good night's rest. So go ahead and sleep peacefully. Now, if you have followed all of these steps correctly, you should have successfully ridded yourself of a body. Now...
FBI, open up!
Yeah, so, I don't know if you can tell by the sirens and knocking, but, I have, not successfully done the job. So, make sure to leave a like, comment, and, definitely subscribe, because, I might be going to prison soon, so, I better get out of here.